In today's tutorial, you will learn all of the available options which is provided by the Microsoft Excel to properly print your Excel worksheet or the document. You may think that it's not a big deal, just we can press Ctrl and P, but as soon as you clicked on those shortcuts, you see that we didn't get our desired output. So this is our printing preview, but we don't want this. So what should we do? Your first option is which part you wanna print. Suppose you want to print a specific part of your worksheet. Select the cells or the area you want to print. Go to page layout, then print area, set print area. Let's see our output. Ctrl P. But still we have two pages. Now we are in portrait mode, and as you can see at the second page we get the right portion of our table. So that means if we convert our view from portrait mode to landscape mode, we will get our preferred output. Come to here, as you can see portrait orientation, change it to landscape orientation. Now as you can see that now we have our output in a single page. Now suppose we are not still satisfied with our output, because if you see the margins, right side I have a lot of margin and the bottom have lot of margin. Click on this scaling option, go to custom scaling, then you can see that our default is on our default 100%. So we need to make it a little bit bigger, press on OK. So our page is not broken, it's on single page. Let's go back to default. Let's talk about the custom margin which is offered by the Excel from the version 2013. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen, you will find show margins. Click on that. Now you can adjust your margin manually. In this way you can position your output to the specific place with a specific margin you want. If you look closely, you will see a gray line. This represents our printing area. How to clear the printing area, or every time we will go for printing, it will show us the same content. Clear the printing area, come to printing area, then clear printing area. Now there is nothing. Now you may have question that why should we select areas like this? Why cannot we make our spreadsheet print friendly from start? Come to view of your ribbon bar. There you will find three kind of view. Normal view, that's the one we always work on. Page break view, which separate your worksheet into pages. Let's see what does it mean. This separate rectangle area represent a single page for your output print. Ctrl P. You see we have two pages. Our page was in landscape orientation. Change it to portrait mode. After turning our printing area back to portrait mode, now if you observe the lines, that our worksheet is divided into three pages. So if we go to print now we have three pages for printing. So let's arrange our worksheet to print in two pages in portrait mode. So I arranged my data into two pages. You do the same. And now if you go to print, we will find the same data into two pages, not three pages like before. So now our page is in normal view with same contents, but if we go to print, our contents are in two pages, because we already arranged our worksheet in a way which can be print friendly. Now how can you use footer and header in Excel printing? For that, go to page layout. It's the same as page break preview, but it's more clear. After coming to this view, you already see that there is a header option available. Click on the area where you want to put your header. Now insert whatever you need. You can insert file path. Suppose you want your colleague to know that where this file is saved, or the today's time, current date, or the page numbers. I selected current dates. Let's count. As you can see, now we have our current date in our footer. Suppose you want to put a text here like monthly budget summary. So this is our page header. Scroll down to the end of the page, select any footer area you want, then go to design, then page number. Now suppose you want to show that it's page 1, page 2, page 3, or something 1, something 2. For that, just come here and write something. So something 1 and something 2. Now go back to view, then our normal worksheet. So that was all about printing. So if you guys like my video or have any question, please comment below and give a thumbs up.